I'm going to give another update with regard to the processing of the diversity visas for winners DV2022 and forward, especially after the changes in the immigration processing. No requirement of documents to be sent to Kentucky Consular Center. What does that mean to the police clearance information, which many people use to get it? So now, what will that happen? I'm saying that way because usually there is the issue of expiration date of the police clearance. Before, well, it's very funny when I'm saying before, it's just like last week. So before it was this way. You are supposed to send the police clearance. When you are sending the police clearance, depending on country to country, some countries it was difficult to get the police clearance. So it can take 6 months to get a police clearance. So some people, when they get the police clearance, they send it to Kentucky Consular Center. And when they schedule for the interview, sometimes the police clearance, the date is expired on the date of the interview. Usually the question I usually to get, was it okay for me to go ahead to the interview with the expired police clearance? The answer is yes, at that particular time, not now. Why was it yes? Because you are going with the documents which you submitted to Kentucky Consular Center. In addition to that, you are going with the documents for education and work experience and the medical, obviously. But now, there is no sending the documents to Kentucky Consular Center. So when the day you are going to the visa interview at the U.S. Embassy, you must have the police clearance, which is unexpired. It doesn't matter when you are going to get it. Remember, on the day you get the second notification letter, you have up to 6 weeks to go to the interview. So they don't tell you today and go tomorrow. No, they give you at least average 4 to 6 weeks. Within 4 to 6 weeks, in many countries, there are exceptions, I know. In many countries, you will be able to get what we call the police clearance in your country. So don't just go ahead and get it right now. Your case number, let's say, is 40,000. So your interview will be in July or August 2022, and now you're going to get the police clearance. While you know in your country, the police clearance is going to expire after 3 months. If you get that police clearance and you appear at the visa interview with the expired one, they are not going to allow you. So previously, because the same documents were processed by the same Department of State through the Bureau, the Kentucky Consular Center, they allow you to go to the U.S. Embassy with the same one even if it is expired. But now they will not allow you to go to the day of the interview with expired police clearance. So police clearance must be valid on the day of the interview. My advice is, if your case number is high, don't process the police clearance right now. Unless otherwise, you know your country takes longer. But if your country, you can get it within 2 weeks, within a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, just wait until you get the second notification letter for the visa interview. So that is the quick update and quick information for you to be ready. There is no need to make a longer video, short and clear for you. So share this video. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Again, this is EBM, Ernest Boniface Makulilo from the EBM Scholars, the headquarters of opportunities.